Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to analyze marketing email campaign performance in Hubspot so you can understand what's working and improve your future email campaigns. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to analyze marketing email campaign performance in Hubspot. To get started, head over to Marketing and then click on Email. From here, select a Sent Email. Once you click on it, you'll be able to see all the emails you've sent so far. After opening an email, navigate to the Performance or Analyze tab. Here, you can review the email's performance. You'll be able to see the total recipients, open rate, and click-through rate. You can also review key metrics and use filters to segment data by contact lists, date ranges, or email types. Use these insights to analyze your results and strategize your next email campaign to reach more people and improve engagement. And that's all for today. I hope this video helped you understand how to analyze email campaign performance in Hubspot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.